some great oldies. Brings back a lot of good memories, doesn't it? That's what music is all about, memories. When you hear a song, you remember something from your past. Good, bad, or indifferent with some memories. I just want to let everybody know that they just posted some more new numbers up on the board. If you bought raffle tickets, you may be a lucky winner already, but you don't know unless you come down and check this board. And there was a bunch of numbers left over that haven't even been claimed yet. So come on down, check out the board, collect your winnings, give you a chance to buy some more raffle tickets if you're inclined to do that. Also, the 50-50 is still growing bigger and bigger. And they've got plenty of t-shirts over here yet. So if you haven't got your car show t-shirts, come see the people at the blue awning just to the south of the DJ booth and the raffle table. You guys having a good time? It looks like it. Some great cars out there. Really good cars.
All right. Well, when they start giving out the awards, there's a lot of sponsors for the awards. Just a few, and I'll recite a few more later on. But ACS Making Strides, Brian's Automotive Repair, CFR Event Coordinators, Chino Kiwanis Cares, Chino Police Officer Foundation, Drivers Pride, Divers Pride, Kitchen Solutions, Elegance Auto Interiors, G&J Aircraft and Competition, and there's a whole lot more.
And if you were here last year, they had some great looking awards they gave away. So I'm anticipating to see what they look like this year. I know generally they always get better and better and better as they go. Can we get back to rock and roll, Carl? Anything in particular you want to hear?
Matter of fact, get your ass in the back of the Cadillac.